Hello and welcome back everybody to another tutorial on Tableau. This series of videos will help you take your skills from beginner to expert level in Tableau. Do not forget to hit the red subscribe button and the bell icon so that you are the first one to know when I upload any new video. In today's session, we will see how to show top and subcategories using a parameter and group remaining subcategories in others in Tableau. We will create a view that looks similar to this. At the top, we have a parameter. Using the parameter, you can select any number between 1 to 15. The default value is set at 5. You will observe that the view shows percentage of sales contributed by top 5 subcategories: phones, chairs, storage, tables, binders, arranged in descending order, and the remaining subcategories are grouped in others, which have contributed to 43.73% to overall sales. Using the parameter, you can change the top subcategories you are interested in. Let's drag it to 7. Now you have top 7 subcategories arranged in descending order, and the remaining subcategories are grouped in others, which have contributed to 28.2% to overall sales. Let's jump in Tableau and see how to achieve this type of view. I am using the Superstore dataset. Let's drag subcategory to row shelf. Let's drag sales to column shelf. Let's arrange these subcategories in descending order according to sales measure. Click on descending. Now let's drag sales to labels under mark card. From the drop down, select percentage of total. Now here we can see percentage of sales contributed by each subcategory. Next, let's create a parameter for top end that will allow user to select any number between 1 to 15. So from the drop down, select create parameter. Let's name it top end. Select integer from the data type drop down. Let's select range. Check on minimum. Check on maximum. And let's put the value 15 here. Now click on OK. Next, we will create a set to show top and subcategories by the sales measure. So let's go to subcategory, click on drop down and select create set. Select top. Here you can select any number to show top subcategories. Let's select our parameter top n. From the drop down, select sales and click on OK. Now we will create a calculated field which will help us to show top n subcategories and group remaining subcategories in other. So let's click on the drop down and select create calculated field. Let's name it top n versus others. Here write the formula: if subcategory, the set we created subcategory set, then subcategory, else others, and according to this formula we will get the top subcategories that we have selected according to the top n parameter, and the remaining subcategories will be grouped in others. Click on OK. Now drag this calculate field in row shelf and remove the previous subcategory. From the parameter, let's click the drop down and select show parameter. Here the default value is 1, so it's showing the top subcategories, that is phones, and the remaining subcategories are grouped in others. The parameter will allow user to select any number starting from 1 till 15. Now let's drag it to 5. Now we have top 5 subcategories: binders, chairs, phones, storage, tables, and the remaining subcategories are grouped in others. Now if you want others to always come at the bottom, drag the subcategory set that you have created before the top and calculate field. This will break the view in and out according to the set. Out will include all the remaining subcategories. Now you can hide the first header by right clicking on the header. Uncheck show header. Let's remove the row divider and column divider to get a cleaner view. Click on format. Go to row divider and select none. Select none from the column divider. Let's hide the field label. Let's arrange in descending order. Now you can see that we have top 5 subcategories arranged in descending order and the remaining subcategories are grouped in others. Let's try to change it to 10. Now the view gives us top 10 subcategories and grouping the remaining subcategories in other section. So from here you can draw inferences like the top 10 subcategories contribute to almost 78% to overall sales. You can also edit the title, like here we can say top N versus others subcategories. Let's change it to Camry. Click on bold. Let's change the color, center align, and click OK. So in this way you can show top N subcategories that will change according to the parameter and group the remaining subcategories in others. Thanks for watching this video. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I have posted the link of this workbook in the description. Do not forget to hit the thumbs up button if you like this video. See you in the next tutorial.